2024 Aston Martin DB11 facelift shows updated headlights called DB12. Good morning. Aston Martin DB11 2024 has been restyled. Canadian billionaire Lawrence Stroll, CEO of carmaker Aston Martin and the Aston Martin F1 team, hints in February 2022 that updates to the company's Grand Tourer are on the way. The DB11 facelift has been spotted again, and the car pictured has a slightly revised front end. Aston Martin has been spotted testing an updated version of its DB11 Grand Tourer. The DB11 was originally launched as a 2017 model, and the changes to the facelift version may be significant enough to warrant a new name. The updated car retains much of the styling of the current version, but has a new front end with a much larger grille and bonnet, as opposed to the current, and expensive, design, and the front fenders are separated. The fender is rolled and combined into one huge piece of aluminum. The headlights of this prototype also feature a new design. The internal changes are probably more important in this update. A completely redesigned dashboard with a more advanced infotainment system is planned. The current design is based on outdated technology borrowed from Mercedes. Spotted during cold weather testing in Sweden, the prototype features a wider opening in the grille, a sportier front bumper and a traditional hood instead of the DB11's pop-up hood. Even the headlights are different. The rear remains largely unchanged compared to the DB11, but the taillights have been slightly redesigned. There are also rumors about the car's name, but Aston Martin has not confirmed it. The British company registered the DB12 trademark with the European Intellectual Property Office in June 2015, and it expires in 2025. There are also arguments for a modern engine, especially in light of the upcoming Euro 7 emissions regulations that will come into effect on July 1, 2025. What Aston Martin really needs in its latest big touring car, as Stroll has already admitted, is a touchscreen infotainment system. F1 driver Lance Stroll's father also backed Aston Martin's former management by agreeing to use Daimler AG's contactless infotainment system. The German carmaker, now known as Mercedes-Benz Group AG, owns a 20% stake in Aston Martin Lagonda Global Holdings plc. The deal, signed in October 2020, will give the British carmaker access to Merck's latest engines and electric vehicle technology. It remains to be seen whether Mercedes-Benz will agree to share its MBUX infotainment system with Aston Martin. The only information we know about the British company's new touchscreen infotainment system comes from Papa Stroll, who mentioned a proper English accent for the voice assistant. The DB11 Call Me DB12 facelift is scheduled to debut as a 2024 model in late 2023 and will continue to be powered by V8 and V12 engines. AML plans to keep the 5.2-liter V12 engine until 2026 or 2027 at the latest. Codenamed AE31, the powered mass produces 759 horsepower and 664 lb-ft, 900 Nm, of torque in the DBS 770 Ultimate Special Edition. A bit disappointing by Ferrari standards, but then again, the Cavallino Rampante's naturally aspirated V12 engine has a larger displacement and better technology. The V8, on the other hand, is a Mercedes-AMG unit that features wet sump lubrication rather than the dry sump oil system used in the Mercedes-AMG GT sports car line. The M177 is a true AMG engine. It is individually assembled in Unterturkheim, following the one-man, one-engine principle that distinguishes AMG from others. The most powerful V8 engine currently used by Aston Martin is in the DBX 707, producing 697 horsepower. 900 Nm at full throttle. Thank you for visiting. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification button below. Thank you.